NetApp has announced their new hardware and software enhancements aimed at supporting AI and cybersecurity, including high-end all-flash FAS A-Series arrays, ONTAP software, StorageGRID hardware, CyberVault immutable snapshots, and AI pod integrations with Lenovo for Nvidia OVX systems. These advancements are designed to enhance performance, efficiency, and security for enterprise data storage solutions, which we make of NetApp's progress in the AI-centric modern enterprise.
Well, NetApp is making, I think, expected announcements here. The core of this announcement, the core of their all-flash arrays, the AFF arrays, are basically Intel Sapphire Rapids. So they've moved up to Sapphire Rapids, which gives them PCIe 5, DDR5 memory. They're also using 200 gig Ethernet. And all of these, as expected, improve the performance of NetApp's all-flash arrays, roughly on the order of 2x performance in pretty much every category, including capacity and performance per dollar, which is probably going to be pretty welcome by NetApp's customers. They're also rejiggering the naming of these systems a little bit. They're going from 3 digits to 2 digits. They're adjusting the placement of all these things. I have to say that I endorse their BMW-esque naming scheme, which helps to understand which model is faster and bigger and badder and better. The top model, instead of being called the AFF 1000, is actually called the 1K, which, you know, as a United Flyer makes sense to me. On the StorageGRID side, they've made similar advancements. There are some interesting new elements there, which I have to say make StorageGRID a little bit more attractive, both on the low end and the high end. And then on the cybersecurity side, my colleague Krista McComber wrote a bit about that as well. One of the best aspects of that is to balance the availability of snapshots with well, let's call them logical air gaps, because they're not actually physical air gaps, but it does make sense as a way to create immutable snapshots. And frankly, I think that that's going to be welcomed in the cyberspace. So overall, NetApp is delivering as I said, an expected advancement here with these all-flash arrays, but not at all a bad one. In fact, it's a really good one for customers. And I expect that a lot of people are going to jump rapidly to these new models. That's why it's interesting that the old models are going to remain on offer from NetApp going forward. Frankly, I think that that's a short-term move for the company, and I think that pretty soon we'll be seeing the retirement of those old 3-digit all-flash arrays in favor of these new Sapphire Rapids models.